So, I mean, is there anything that if you were going out to China again, right? Like, let's say you find your perfect product, right? You hit it, like you just figured out something that you really need to bring in. Uh, I don't know whether you're going on Alibaba or jumping on a plane and heading out to China. What is it that you're looking for on a factory level? Like, who are you looking to work with? What's your ideal partner?
Ideal factory to work
Yeah.
with. So ideal partner. First, I always look for going direct to factory instead of going after trading company or sourcing agents.
So you don't
The
waste
re
time at trade shows out in
Well,
China?
I think I haven't been to China in about 4 or 5 years. I'm actually taking a trip to Canton Fair. I'm speaking at Global Sources coming up
Hmm.
in Hong Kong, and that'll be my first time in four years or so. So I use Amazon's database as a gold mine to maximize opportunity and understand what the reviews are telling me, and remix on those reviews to create great product.
Right.
Factory side, right? You need to find factories that actually are legitimate, that don't take a massive cut of margin like a trading company. So I try to go direct to the factory, and then I try to find trust. And the only way to find trust is to have more of an interaction versus a transaction with the factory.
Hmm. So you're building the relationship on a factory level as well.
So important. Like relationships win in China all day long.